Now I would like to discuss about empathy. Empathy is the ability to sense other people's emotions coupled with the ability to imagine what someone else might be thinking or feeling. When you put yourself in someone else's shoes, you can understand the feelings of that person. You can understand the situation the person is in or the person is facing. So that is what empathy is. Do not be confused between the terms empathy and sympathy. The terms empathy and sympathy are often confused. So let me tell you the difference between empathy and sympathy. Sympathy is feeling compassion, sorrow or pity for the hardships that other person encounters. Empathy is putting yourself in the shoes of another, which is why actors often talk about it. Well, let us now discuss about the types of empathy. There are three different types of empathy: cognitive, emotional, and compassionate. Cognitive empathy is simply knowing how the other person feels and what they might be thinking. It is concerned with thought, understanding, and intellect. Emotional empathy, just like it sounds, involves directly feeling the emotions that another person is feeling. Compassionate empathy strikes a powerful balance of the two. Compassionate empathy honors the natural connection by considering both the felt senses and intellectual situation of another person without losing your center. When your loved ones comes to you in tears, you want to understand why she is upset, and you also want to provide comfort by sharing in her emotional experience and hopefully helping her heal. It's a lot to handle. Here, compassionate empathy is taking the middle ground and using your emotional intelligence to effectively respond to the situation with loving detachment. There's a balance of mindfulness with compassionate caring and could be considered compassion when expressed genuinely. Next is drive strength. So now I am going to talk about what is drive strength. Let me first read out the lines. We have all worked hard in our lives to accomplish a certain goal. In order to accomplish important goals in our lives, we need to have the skill of drive strength. Drive strength is the skill of discovering and then harnessing your motivation and energy to reach personal and career goals. All of us have our own stories and we have our own ways of accomplishing our goals. Drive strength is something that is used to accomplish the goals in our lives. It is the skill of learning, understanding, and using your desire to reach your goals. That's all about drive strength. I hope you have understood. So with this, I end my video. I would like to thank all of you for watching. Thank you so much.